Hey, what's up, Framer nerds? Omar here. I've got a super exciting announcement to make. I've recently teamed up with my good friend Chris Nutbean to form a new platform called Interface, built for Framer creators just like yourselves. We're providing an array of resources such as templates, plugins, components, and a bunch of other resources planned for the future, which we're really excited about. In fact, we recently launched our first plugin about 3 weeks ago called Device Mockups. It's currently available on the Framer marketplace. And when we launched it, it was a huge success. Now Framer designers don't ever have to leave their Framer projects to create beautiful device mockups for a website and application. In fact, you can even upload video into these device screens, not just images. And it's been a huge, the feedback we've been getting has been amazing. In fact, we have had over 200 orders of device mockups plugin alone. And this got us thinking, Black Friday was coming up and we thought, let's put all of our products together into this Black Friday super deal. Part of this is getting early access to our AI plugin called Framergen, which I'm going to speak about in a moment. So you get tons of value in this Black Friday super deal. With taking into consideration the total value, you're getting a 71% slash on the total value of the price. So let me show you exactly what you're getting in this Black Friday super deal. Number one, you're getting lifetime access to device mockups worth $197. This is a premium library of beautifully built device mockup components that you can customize directly inside of Framer without ever having to leave. You can add an image to the device screen, a video, and it also comes with a range of pre-made device mockup scenes that are also animated, which is amazing. You can go ahead and preview that via the preview button. But I'll jump into the next one. You have Hawk as well, which is a AI SaaS service template worth $27. Then you have Creador, which is a beautifully designed Notion creators template, which allows Notion creators to sell their Notion templates essentially, but it comes with a very kind of clean, minimal UI aesthetic, which can serve a wide range of use cases. That's worth $47. Then you have LeadCal, which is a beautifully built component by Chris. It was a very popular hit on Product Hunt recently. That's worth $97. What it essentially does is allows you to embed this component in a service side to then allow clients to calculate the cost of your services using this calculator. So check that out. Then we have Wisdom. This is a popular template that I created that's available in the Framer marketplace. It's had a lot of purchases, which I'm really proud of. And essentially, it's a comprehensive knowledge hub for tech startups and tech companies, even wider tech enterprises. And what's cool about this template, it offers a range of features for your customer information, right? Everything from documentation, FAQs, change logs, service statuses, and even a blog for your product team, right? So go check that out too. Then finally, we have Transmit, which is a really fun matrix-like futuristic UI lead capture template that allows creators or entrepreneurs or any company to kind of put together a very quick lead capture page, a fun lead capture page, which you definitely have to check out. It's worth $10, but I think it's a really, really cool template, right? And check that out too. Last but not least, we have Framergen. Framergen is not available yet, right? So all these templates and products, you can actually click the preview button to see the original products themselves, which is awesome. But Framergen is something me and Chris are building behind the scenes, which I'm really excited about. The date to be released is early 2025. It's an AI image generation plugin for Framer. And essentially you can generate beautiful AI images with this plugin. And it also comes with a premium curated collection of AI images too. You get $252 worth of AI credits when you buy this Black Friday bundle. So as soon as Framergen is released, we'll credit your account with these credits so you can use Framergen right away and start generating cool images. Now you've seen what's inside of the box, and if you calculate the total value of all of these products combined, that totals up at $697, and you're getting it for just $197 with this Black Friday offer. That's a steal of a deal, right? Lifetime access to all of these products combined for this single one-time price is incredible, right? And I'm sure you all can agree. We're very excited to offer this to the Framer community. This is all of our best work combined in a very affordable price. But not only that, if you do buy this Black Friday package, you're also supporting mine and Chris's journey with Interface. And we've planned tons of things in the future for 2025, new components, new plugins, new resources for Framer creators and builders just like yourself. So do jump into this Black Friday offer. It's not going to be around for long. We're planning to close it in 2 days and some hours. So jump in while it's available. Thank you guys for listening. I'll see you guys on the other side.